Question 36. In the diagram, NQ is proportional to TS. Now, RTS is 50. RTS is 50. And PRT is 100 degree. Now, when you see this sign, I've said it earlier, that what you should be looking for are alternate angles. So before I proceed, I would like to label these angles. So let's label this to be B, let's label this to be C, let's label this to be D, let's label this to be E, and let's label this to be F. So first and foremost, we are looking for this angle E, and that is NPR. So the first thing that we need to do is to find F and say F is equal to what? 100 degree. Why? Opposite angles. We can also say B is equal to A for the same reason, opposite angles. So this is angle at a point, so we say 100 plus B plus A plus F is equal to what? 360, angle at a point. Now we know that our F is 100, so 100 plus 100 plus what's our B is equal to A. Instead of us to write A, we can write B is equal to what? 360, which implies that 200 plus 2B is equal to what? 360. So we now say our 2B is equal to what? 360 minus 200. So this implies that 2B is equal to what? 360 minus 200, which is what? 160. So you divide both sides by 2. B is equal to what? 80. Now what we want to find is E. Now, like I said earlier, if you see this sign, what you are looking for are alternate angles. Now this is an alternate angle to this angle, so C is equal to what? 50. C is equal to what? 50. Why? Alternate angles are equal. Now you see this is an external angle of a triangle. Now it is equal to these two angles, so we can say E is equal to what? C plus B. Why? External angle of a triangle. So the external angle of a triangle, so what's our E? What's our C? 50. What is our B? 80. Our E is now what? 130 degree. Question 37. We are asked to simplify this expression: a squared b raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 2 a raised to power 4. So our AB over this. Question 37. Simplify the expression, this expression. So the first thing we look for is the like term. So the like term here at the numerator are a squared and what? So if we divide this by a squared b squared, we are going to have b squared minus, and we do the same things for this, we have a squared, everything over a plus b. So this is the same thing as a b squared minus a squared. You divide both sides by what? A plus b. So you now have AB. Now b squared minus a squared is the same thing as b minus a, b plus a. So when you multiply this together, you are going to get b squared minus what? A squared over a plus b. Since a plus b is the same thing as b plus a, so this will what? Cancel out. So our answer will be what? AB bracket b minus a. Question 38. Find the sixth term of the sequence 2 over 3. So first we need to find our A. So this is the formula. if we are looking for T6, is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 D. So our A is the first term, which is 2 over 3. That's our A. Our n is equal to 6, and our D is equal to what? T2 minus T1. Our T2 is 7 over 15 minus 2 over what? 3. The LCM here is what? 15. 15 divided by 15 is what? 1. Times 7 is what? 7. Minus 15 divided by 3 is what? 5 times. This is what? Minus 10. So this is minus 3 over what? 15. So this is what? Minus 1 over 5. So our D is what? Minus 1 over 5. So our T6, which is what we are looking for, is our A, which is what? 2 over 3 plus 5. That is 6 minus 1 rather. 6 minus 1 times D, which is what? Minus 1 over what? 5. So this is T6 is equal to 2 over 3 plus 5 times minus 1 over what? 5. So our T6 is equal to 2 over 3 minus 1. 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. Times 2 is what? 2. Minus 3 divided by 1 is what? 3. Times 1 is what? 3. So the answer is minus 1 over 3. So that is our sixth term. Question 39. The diagonal of a square is 60 centimeter. Calculate its perimeter. So we say this is 60 centimeter, and we are looking for the perimeter. So a square has 4 equal sides. Now, but we want to find each x. So we use Pythagoras theorem to find our x. So we are going to say 60 square is equal to x square plus x square. Now 60 square is what? 3600 is equal to what? 2x square. Divide both sides by what? 2. So our x square is equal to what? 1800. Now, so if your x square is equal to what? 1800, you find the square root of both sides. So then you say your x is equal to square root of what? 900 times what? 2. The square root of 900 is what? 30. So your x is equal to what? 30 root 2. Now, but we know that our perimeter is what? 4x. Is what? 4x. So it's going to be 4 times what? 30 root 2, which is what? 120 root 2. Question 40. The root of a quadratic equation are minus half and 2 over 3. So we start from x is equal to minus half, x is equal to 2 over 3. When you cross multiply, you are going to have 2x is equal to minus 1, and you have 3x is equal to what? 2. So 1 will come to the other side, so it's come 2x plus 1, and we have 3x minus 2. Everything is equal to what? 0. So you now say 2x plus 3x, that is what? 6x square. 2x minus 2 times minus 2 is what? Minus 4x. And this is 1 times 3x is what? Plus 3x. 1 times minus 2 is what? Minus 2. Everything is equal to what? 0. So you have 6x square minus 4x minus 4x plus x is what? Minus x minus 2. Everything is equal to what? 0. So this is the equation that will be derived from the roots, from these roots.